Okay, so welcome to the BTU booth here at Productronica. I'm joined by Rob DiMatteo. Great to see you again, Rob.
Nice to see you, Trevor. Glad to be here.
Yeah, so you're being rather optimistic this week. You're seeing some of the business starting to tick up again back home in the US.
Absolutely. We've seen a noticeable increase in activity, our quoting activity, our purchase orders, just a general increase in activity in the Americas for sure, Mexico as well, even some automotive, which has been down for so long.
Wow.
Starting to see some signs of life there.
Signs of life,
so
okay.
And certainly here in Europe, this has been day two here has been terrific.
Yes.
Yesterday was busy almost all day for us, and today was even busier. So really good news. Maybe we'll see the same thing here in Europe as well.
I hope so. Well, one of the most significant things that you announced recently, of course, was the manufacturing partnership in Singapore. How's that working?
Very well. We just happy to announce we just shipped our first 2 units. That happened this week, right on schedule. So great to be on time, on schedule. With a more robust forecast. I was just actually over there last week with the supplier. We had a great meeting. They're very enthusiastic about what else we can give them.
Right.
So very encouraged with the ability to shift some of the manufacturing to that strategic location.
Yes.
Not to take away from our Shanghai, we're actually moving more product over there.
Right.
For some of our U.S.-made custom furnace business, we can now build that in Shanghai to be much more competitive in terms of pricing.
I see. And how does Singapore work out in terms of tariffs for U.S. customers?
Much better. Even though the U.S. recently just lowered the tariff on the reflow of another 10%, so it's 45%, shipping out of Singapore is 10%.
Okay.
So much more friendly. I think just the challenge with some customers that will not accept a machine from China, or just the nature of not wanting to deal with the tariff at all.
Yeah.
Certainly Singapore gives us a much more competitive advantage there as well.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. Okay. So here at the show, the machine we've got behind us is a different one than we've seen before. This is a 10 zone. That's
right. This is filling out the continuation of filling out our Aurora platform. We started with the longer heated lengths, a 200, a 175, a 150 has been very traditional. This is a 125, actually very well suited for the European market, where they don't need the very high volume. Footprint is a concern. It has all the features that Europe wants: power savings, nitrogen consumption savings, center support, even some environmental savings in terms of heat given off to the room. We've been able to reduce that as well. So really a good showing for this machine. It's really the perfect machine. We're hoping to sell it during the show as well.
Yeah, you've got a good chance of selling that, because the booth's certainly been very busy.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's great to see everybody here. And really globally, we've seen a lot of folks from our U.S. customers, Mexico, and even Asia Pacific. So
Great.
Good to see.
Great. Well, you certainly look a lot happier, Rob. So it's good to see. It's nice to see BTU going in the right direction. So
absolutely, it's fun times.
Long may it continue, and let's hope we get a good uptick in 2026.
Absolutely, I think we all are hoping for that, and hoping for that to sustain for a while as well.
Okay. All right. Great to see you. Thanks,
Trevor.
Bye.
Why do something 3 times when you can do it only once? Using N1 Pass technology, BTU's new Profile Tracer is a next-generation thermal profiling tool, providing real-time data acquisition for oven optimization. It identifies inconsistencies due to temperature variables at both the product level and the heat source. Profile Tracer measures dual temperature locations as well as vibration, all in one pass, giving you time to attend the more important things in life.